Okay, let's do the cold start of the Honda now. See if she starts. Ready? Fire them up. They're runners. $228,000. Got half life left on over now. Body's right out before anything. I did gotta mention we did put the valve burnt out on it, but other than that, some bitch. Yeah. Perfect time to get my winter driving in, my bad weather driving. Anyhow, so yeah, there it is. 2 cold starts. Well, one in the last video and one in this video. Go inside here. So yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.